Give me life, give me life.
Morning YouTube. Yes, welcome and welcome back. I really hope it's welcome. Yeah, so today's vlog is just about today. So yeah guys, thanks for 500 subs. Yeah, and let's just see how today goes. Today is just like every other day. I don't really have anything planned other than I'm going to be taking pictures today. I'm going to be taking pictures because my birthday is in 9 days. Shouldn't 9 days, I'll be 10 days. Yes, 9 days. So yeah guys, so I'm just going to be taking pictures that I post on that day, so you guys get BTS behind the scenes of the picture taking. My cousin is taking this, not no big deal. Just we'll just have some, yeah, we'll just have some fun today, Sha. Anyways, so you see you guys later. Let's have breakfast. Okay guys, so I just finished having my bath and yeah, we're just going to go. I didn't really just do anything much. I just wore a dress because when I get there I have to do a lot of things of changing and changing and changing and changing. So anyways, yeah, see you guys. Guys, so I just got here. Yeah, we just got here. Why? Anyways, we just got here, so let me just wait and then I'll change. These children, stop making noise.
You thought I didn't care? You thought the constant making fun of me actually made me feel good?
You always show that.
Only because that's all I can do. No one will
Sorry, today has been, yeah, my friend just arrived and I'm getting ready. I actually put this on to dance. It's baggy but it's going to be part of the clothes that I'm going to use to dress. I can't show you guys how I'm getting ready for everything because it's a whole lot, but yeah, let's just see me do this, I guess. Guys, so my face is done and I don't have a mirror here actually, so I was just going with my intuition and the phone camera because this is my grandma's place and she doesn't have a mirror, so what can I do about it? Anyways, I forgot to say Eid Mubarak to all you Muslims. Yes, thank you guys for creating such a good holiday for us. Thank you, because I get to relax. And I haven't told you guys this, but I'm actually in college. Yes, I'm a college student. I'm in uni. I'm a student of the University of Lagos State. So I'm a LASU student. So all you LASU students, if you are watching this, make sure to subscribe because I'll be dropping some tips later on. I'm actually in my second semester of my first year. So I haven't done college vlog yet because there's a lot going on. It's been hectic, let's be honest. Realistically speaking, if I even tried, trust me, I would have probably been robbed like how many times. So I have to get myself all together, but I will drop a college vlog. No. Azal now, I no go drop am before. Anyway, so yeah, my friend is here. I don't know if you guys want to see him, but he's camera shy, so he might not want to show face. But you still see, yeah, my brother has gone to get the dogs. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna have puppies around. So see you guys when I'm taking my pictures. But this is the first facial look. I'll show you the fit. You see the fit outside, shall when I'm taking the pic. Yeah. Bye. For now.
You know what you do for him to make him back?
I Shalom. Who is snapping the Shalom?
I said we rather cry. He's still a puppy, that's why now.
Shalom. Who is snapping Shalom? No. Snapping Shalom.
Okay, I'm the one.
Yes, now. I've been casted.
She do.
Hold on, what did I do?
What you do now?
Yeah. Turn his head to your hair like that. You don't say the hair be like that. Leave there. Who call you? Hey!
Roxy, I gave you Roxy back. If you try,
No worry. Hey! You know Nunti.
I don't know what your problem is. What's your problem? Please, girl. Anybody has the best.
In the day that they let me go and me outside, I don't want to stay.
Then the other side, that under.
Yeah. Carry down your leg like that. Like say you wanted to put it in front.
Straight.
Like this. Carry it up like that. Hey.
Come on.
Yeah. Drop it. Hey. Take it to the back now. Twist it to the other side. Hey. Carry it up from the floor. Take it to the back. Carry it up from the floor. Like this.
Oh, okay.
No. The other way around.
I don't understand.
Like,
Hey.
Give me Harley Quinn
Let's say you
vibes.
want to be there.
Harley Quinn, like she's looking at Harley Quinn with her hair.
Okay. I forgot to shut.
Let's go. What is wrong? Sit. Roxy, sit.
Roxy, you are backing at my face.
Roxy, sit.
Sit. Let me sit. Upside down. Sit down. Hey, Maxie.
It's the man that I used to beat you that used to listen to.
We are on our way home and it's been a lot, Sha. So thank you for sticking with me throughout this vlog. Yeah, we're trekking home. We're going to drop off the dogs. They have been sick. One of them is Caucasian, but Roxy has been a whole lot. But anyways, thanks so much. We'll see you guys on the next vlog. Mwah, bye.